Howdy everyone. It's been a while. I thought we'd do a little update on our 2021 Rockwood Mini Lite 2509S. So we just got it back. I know past videos we had some warranty issues. It was at the dealer. Unfortunately they had it for 4 months. It wasn't their fault, it was due to part shortage, which we all know. But they fixed all the major issues. So thank you to them. And looks like we're ready to go camping. Just thought I'd share something. If you notice, the trailer's quite a bit higher. So there is a factory available lift kit. It's an option, but ours didn't come with it, so we had the dealer add it. As you can see there, it's about 2 5/8 of an inch. So made a big difference on the height, and should help when we're going through the ditches or the times we do go off-road camping in the Nevada area. So should help so we don't drag anything underneath. But just thought I'd give you a little update. And little class 11 racing, das Tia. So looking forward to 2022, lots of camping. Stay tuned for lots of videos.